Hey babies, it's Joynavon and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. So I just wanted to come on here and show you guys this really quick, super easy hairstyle that I've been rocking for the past, I don't know, like 2-3 weeks at this point. And it is these Marley twists. I am completely obsessed. Obviously you guys know that I am locked, so this process has cut my time in half from how I have done, protective styles in the past. So let's just go ahead and jump into how I did these Marley twists over my locks. So starting off, as you can see, my hair is definitely not freshly, I don't have a fresh retwist or anything like that. I would highly suggest doing any type of protective styles if you're going to do them on old hair. Like, you want to make sure your roots are grown out. Okay, that is step one. So the hair that I will be using is just, I guess, like some type of crochet Marley hair that I got off of Amazon, and as usual I will be linking it down below on my Amazon store, as I have all of my other previous hair that I've used for my protective styles. This came in a 6-pack. I got the 6-pack because I did use this same exact hair for my last protective style video, which was the jumbo locks that I did. Now I'm going to be honest, I can't really remember for sure how many packs I used for this, but I want to say it was like 4.5. I really want to say it was like 4.5. So not that many, but either way, I would just suggest you getting the 6-pack of Marley hair, because if you don't use all of it right now, you can always use it later. I'm also going to be using a little bit of my Napstar Retwist gel. I swear by this gel. I love it so much. It is so good for like retwist, obviously, but it's not flaky at all. It does not leave any residue behind in my hair, which is perfect, especially if you do have locks. Now I'm just going to take the Marley hair piece by piece. I only used literally one piece for my whole entire head. If the hair, as far as the length, and you will see this later on, if the length wasn't matching up the way that I wanted it to, I would use a second piece to attach to make the twist longer. But for the most part, I only used one piece of Marley hair for all of this. As you saw, I was stretching the hair out and then literally just folding the piece in half, attaching it to my lock, braiding it down, and then twisting. But don't worry, I will show you again how this works. So I went ahead and did half of my hair. I was trying to kill two birds with one stone here. I was trying to make multiple content for multiple platforms. You already know, I don't even gotta go into that, but I was trying to make a TikTok. I was trying to do this YouTube video and some Instagram stuff, so it was a lot. But anyway, this is how it's looking so far with it halfway done. So I am going to wet my hair, just get it damp, and then I'm going to section off one lock at a time. You can combine your locks if you so choose to make your twist bigger, but I like the size that I was working with, so I just did one lock at a time. So after you clean up your parts, you just want to go ahead and add literally a dab. When I say a dab of some retwist gel, just a dab. You don't need a lot, especially if you're using this. And then I'm stretching the Marley hair out piece by piece and using one piece, and then I'm going to braid, attach it by braiding. So I'm braiding the Marley hair onto my lock maybe 3 to 4 times, if that, until it feels secure, and then I'm just twisting down. Now when you're twisting, the most important part about this is twisting while you're twisting. If you've seen any of my spring twists, Marley twists hair videos in the past, then I do the same exact thing. I always twist while twisting. So now I'm just going to attach another piece of hair. So what you want to do is grab another piece of hair and literally just add it to the middle section of your twist. open your twist in half and just add the hair in and just twist while twisting down. It sounds a little bit more complicated than what it actually is, but like once you're doing it yourself, you'll really get the gist of it. It's really not hard at all. It's just like, you know, feeding in. If you know how to like feed in braid, if you've ever done knotless braids or anything like that, it's the same exact process. But yeah, you guys, this is literally all that I did for my whole entire head, was just like braid down the hair and just twist. To close this twist, all you're going to do is grab an extra strand of hair towards the bottom and just wrap it around. That's literally it. It's going to stay closed by itself, especially with Marley hair. It doesn't require much to, you know, keep the hair closed. It's not going to unravel or anything. But this is how my hair looked after it was all done. I was completely obsessed. I love how like fresh and like shiny the hair looks without me having to do anything to it. I didn't have to like add anything for it to look like that. It literally just looked like that. And then this is how my hair looks now that it's, you know, kind of aged and I have some new growth. It's literally, like I said, like 2 to 3 weeks old, but it still looks bomb. I honestly don't even want to take it out. I'm struggling because I know I need to, but I really don't want to. Like, it's just the perfect protective style, especially over locks, because it is so lightweight. Like, there's no tension on my scalp at all, or, you know, it's not heavy. It's not like adding weight to my hair. It's just so pretty. It's just so perfect. So if you want to try this, please do. I highly suggest. This is definitely a style that I'm going to do throughout my lock journey. I don't know how frequently, but not as frequently, but I'm definitely doing it again. So if you enjoyed this video, please for sure leave me a comment down below. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more lock and protective style content. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at joynavon. And until then, I will just see you guys in the next one. Bye.